The internet changed everything, but it was never really yours. Every website you use today still depends on centralized servers run by big tech companies hosted on platforms like AWS or Google Cloud. They control the rules, they store your data, and they can shut you down at any moment. But what if the internet ran on decentralized, unstoppable infrastructure, owned by no one and powered by blockchain? Welcome to ICP, the Internet Computer Protocol. ICP is a next generation blockchain, but unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, it's not just for tokens or smart contracts. ICP is built to run actual applications, websites, backends, and social networks, enterprise systems entirely on chain. That means no need for traditional hosting, no AWS, no centralized APIs. Your app lives on the blockchain, fully decentralized, tamper-proof, and censorship-resistant. ICP is created by DFINITY Foundation, and it's not just theory. It's already live, already hosting apps, already proving what's possible. How it works. The internet computer runs on a powerful innovation called canisters. Think of canisters like smart contracts, but way more advanced. They are fast, scalable, and can store not just logic but also data, files, and even front end code. Developers build in languages like Motoko or Rust, deploy to chain, and users access apps directly from blockchain. No middle layer needed. This is what makes ICP unique. It's not just decentralized in theory, it replaces the cloud infrastructure that Web2 relies on. So everything runs on chain code, storage, identity, even user interactions. Why ICP matters? ICP solves three of the biggest problems in Web3 and Internet overall. Number one, scalability. Most blockchains struggle with speed and cost. ICP is built to scale. It can process thousands of transactions per second with near zero gas fees. Number two, decentralized hosting. Instead of storing your apps off chain and just linking it with blockchain transactions, ICP hosts the entire app on chain. Front end, back end, everything. User experience. You can build apps on ICP that look and feel like web fast, smooth, and familiar, but with Web3 power under the hood.